Okay, in 2021 humans are how it is. We have cell phones which we I lock. Just let's just put I lock here because it's so relatable. And now we have a lot of other stuff, TVs and stuff. And now I mean we have a chair, bruh. That was very long ago. Before, I only use the universe scale. Like the set is so big. When I see the life of the universe, they can't include humans because humans develop faster than I thought. They develop in just a few hundred years. When my span is counting billions, like even decades, and they still develop. Wow. All I know is that I'm a kid and I can see the future in my lifespan. Alright, let's start. So here, in 2025, we have cures for a lot of things. I don't know, like diabetes and stuff. Or at least this is what is expected to have. In 2030, self-driving cars would be here. And yeah, I mean, it will be publicly available. Or at least that's what we predicted. In 2040 and 2045, that is when NASA would build bases around the moon. And 2050 is where we'll build an actual colony. Where's the music coming for my alarm? You know, I'm gonna keep it because this looks like a bright future. In 2060, we'll have AI in a good amount. It's called like AGI, and it's probably it's conscious AI. 2075 comes in a slight difference. Now, we have a lot of more technology, various amount of technology. It's just a thing that there'll be a good amount of technology rising. Some big ass drones and stuff. And buildings like elevators that can carry itself, like like hoverboards publicly, like actual hovering stuff. And a lot of fiction stuff that might just be science fiction, but like light science fiction, like science fiction that is still pretty promising to happen in the future. Near future, 2090. I don't know why, but this is where we can make a full sustaining colony on the moon, hopefully. And God, okay, wait. We just wait. What the? Forward at the end. because that part because at 2025 it's like we have very advanced space shuttle. There will be commercial space travel, and at 2090 there will be like sufficient ones, a sufficient moon base, saying easy moon base. At 2120 we reach in the Kardashev scale 1, meaning that we we, we always use renewable sources. That means we have full and also full control over our planet. But we're already having plans to control the other planets already. Well, but the technology spike is called the emergent age, and we do not know what really happened. And then in the 11th comes, I guess, 2150 comes with the moon base becoming a successful settlement, Polony 2, and then we will have and then yeah, we'll have a lot of other stuff. We have colonies in 4 areas in Jupiter moons in around 2 something, and then in this you have this then this is called a singularity, and see, humans advance, but if we make our robots too advanced, you see the problem, right? The only way once you're more advanced, you can't really slow it down, or at least not enough to overcompensate it. The only way is to speed up our development, to put it under control, and then we can slow down again. But that is hard, and probably when we are trying to make the plan, this should already become uncontrollably high, and it'll be too late. And now we just have to wish our luck, because the thing is that in a small singularity you can't predict anything.